Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Tasleem and today in this video I am gonna tell you two methods or techniques to start learning English. So I know that you are very interested in learning English and that's the reason you are watching my video. So please watch this video till end because till the end of this video you will definitely find a way to start learning English. So in this video I'm gonna talk about two kinds of people who want to learn English. Right, so I will talk about two categories. Now you have to decide in which category do you fall, and I will tell you the ways or methods for each of these two categories. Right, so let's talk about the first category of people. The first category of people are very interested in learning English and they are very motivated kind of person. They do not need outer motivation to learn English. Okay, so the thing is that they do not need to push themselves again and again to learn English. If they have decided that yeah, we have to learn English, then they will definitely achieve this goal within 6 months. Okay, so let me tell you one thing, that within 6 months you can master a language if you are consistent. Okay, so if you are giving your 10,000 hours, I'm talking about the 10,000 hours. If you are going to give 10,000 hours to a specific subject or a specific language, then I can assure you that you can master that language or skill or any course. This is a scientific proven fact, right? So I'm not asking you to give 10,000 hours to learn English because our goal is to start speaking in English. We don't want to be very proficient in English, but yeah, if we are able to express our thoughts, then it is fine, right? So okay, now let's talk about the first category of people. So for example, if you have decided that you have to learn English, then you will start learning English. You will practice these 4 skills: reading, writing, listening and speaking. Okay, if you will practice these 4 skills for 6 months, then I am giving you guarantee that after 6 months you will be able to speak very fluent English. Okay, so what you have to do, you have to practice reading, writing, listening and speaking. Please try to read something in English other than your textbook. If you are in 12th standard, then don't think that I am reading English book every day, so that will help me. I will tell you that apart from your textbook, read any other books, like you can read any novels, any story books, right? So now come to the next thing, which is writing. We usually ignore this skill. We do not practice writing. So what you have to do, you have to write something by your own. You can start writing your diary. You have to express your thoughts. So if you will start writing, then you will start thinking in English, and this will really help you a lot. I am telling you, you should definitely practice writing if you really want to learn English. So I am talking about the first category of people. So like, if they are very motivated and if they have decided that yeah, I have to learn English, then you can practice these 4 skills and you do not need any outer motivation. You do not need to buy a course, or you do not need to go to coaching to learn English. Now come to the next thing, which is listening. Okay, the more you listen to something or someone in English, the more you will become fluent, right? So if you will listen to English songs, English movies or English podcasts, so you will grab so many new words and vocabulary. So you should try to listen to someone in English, okay, as much as you can. The more you are listening English, the more you are catching new words, and you will be able to use those new words in your own vocabulary, in your own conversation. So listening really helps a lot. Please try to listen to music, try to listen to movies, try to listen to podcast. This will really help you a lot. I am telling you, you should try listening every day. Okay, now come to the next thing, which is speaking. We are practicing these skills every day: reading, writing and listening. But let me tell you, until and unless you speak, you will not be able to master the speaking in English. So in order to speak in English, you have to actually speak something in English. Okay, now the problem that we are facing here is we do not have any partner to learn English or to speak with. So I have already made a video like what can you do if you do not have any partner to learn English with. So I told you about a teacher, and her name is Alina Raiz. Okay, so she has developed her own website. So what you can do, you can submit your email ID over that website, and you can get partners over there who are very interested in learning English. You can find partners from Bangladesh, from Nepal, and from many countries. So different kinds of people want to learn English, so they enroll themselves on that website, right? So now if you are very motivated person, then you can practice these 4 skills and you do not need to spend any extra money to learn English. Now come to the second category of people. They are also interested in learning English, but the thing is that they are not that much motivated. They have to push themselves again and again in learning English. Okay, now let me explain you with the help of an example. Okay, so you are getting something for free. For example, you are studying in a school which provides free education to you, and so you will not take it very much seriously. You will think that yeah, it is for granted, and like why I should work hard if I would not have to pay anything to them. Okay, and if you read in a very English medium school which is charging a very high amount of fees, then you would have to study because your parents are spending a lot of money on you. Okay, so in the same thing, like if you are unable to do it by your own, if you are unable to learn English by your own, so I have 4 methods for you to learn English, and I'm going to suggest you 4 websites or applications to start learning English. Okay, so for this you will have to pay a fixed amount of money to these websites, and this method is known as classroom studies. Okay, so the way we go to our classroom, the way we go to our school every day, we learn something. We learn because we know that our parents have spent a lot of money on that, and we have to do that, right? So if you are someone who knows that learning English is very important for me and for my career, but still you are trying very hard, but you need outer motivation, someone needs to push you again and again to learn English, then this method is very beneficial for you. So these are the 4 websites that you can try to learn English. And the first one is Cambly application. You must have heard about Cambly application many times. You must have seen the conversations. So many tutors are uploading their videos on YouTube as well, that how you can communicate on Cambly. And the second one is Ingvarta. Okay, Cambly is a video call platform. Your tutors will video call with you and you have to talk with them. But if you do not want to show your face, and if you feel very underconfident in facing a person face to face, so in that case you can opt for Ingvarta. I have made a separate video on Ingvarta. If you are very good in English, you can start teaching on Ingvarta and you can earn a good amount of money by sitting at home, right? So you can check that video in the description box. And so what happens on Ingvarta, the tutors will call you and you will have to explain your issues to them, that I make mistakes while speaking English, I hesitate while speaking English, and they will help you in becoming very fluent in English. The next is Clappingo. I think you must have heard about it because this is a very famous English platform. So this is same as Cambly, but this is an Indian application. So the Cambly is charging very high amount of money. Like if you want to talk to your tutor for 1 month, then you will have to pay 5,000, which is a very high amount, and you will get a chance to talk with them only 3 days per week. Okay, so I think Ingvarta is a bit cheaper than Cambly, but Clappingo is more cheaper than all of these. Okay, so Clappingo also works same as the Cambly application, but what is the difference between Clappingo and Cambly is that Cambly is of tutors from all over the world, but on Clappingo you will find tutors from India only. And the same is Pingo Learn. Pingo Learn is also a very good application if you want to learn English, and this is a new platform, so they are not charging very much, very high amount of money. For 1 month they are charging only 2,000 or 3,000. So I think this is the best application because this is very cheap. Everyone can afford. And if I talk about Cambly, I don't think every one of us can afford that. So if you fall in the first category, then you can start, you can practice these 4 skills: reading, writing, listening, and speaking. But if you fall in the second category, like, you know, you have to push yourself again and again to learn English, and if you are spending a high amount of money on that, then you will think like, you know, I have given my this much amount of money to them, so I really need to work hard right now. So on these platforms, the tutors will always give you homework. They will, you know, ask you to speak on various topics, like speak on the topic flowers, speak on the topic oranges, speak on chocolates. Okay, so this will improve your thinking abilities in English, right? So within 6 months, if you practice these things, you will definitely get better at English, right? So now what is the bonus tip? The bonus tip is that if you try both of the things, if you try first method and second method together, then within 3 or 4 months, you will definitely get better at it. If you want to work in a very good company, like I already told you that there are a lot of benefits of learning English nowadays. If you want to work in a good multinational company, or if you want to become a cabin crew, or like, there are so many jobs that we can easily get if we have good knowledge of English, right? So if you are practicing these 2 techniques together, like you are practicing reading, writing, listening, speaking together, and you know, along with that you have bought a course from Cambly or Clappingo or Pingo Learn or Ingvarta, and you are practicing that as well, then I can, you know, say that you will master the English in only 4 or 5 months. So if you want to become a cabin crew, you are asking me again and again that, ma'am, please tell me what I can do to improve my English, and I'm telling you again and again, and I'm trying to, you know, push you again and again that in order to become a cabin crew, you do not need to join any institute. Please do not focus on the institutes, because they will not teach you English. The English module is of only 1 month, right? So please don't you know, run for the cabin crew institutes. What the company is looking for, they are looking for someone who is very good at communication skills. So try to enhance your communication skills. You know, that will improve your personality. You will feel more confident if you will be able to communicate in English. Okay, so I know that, you know, while learning English, sometimes we feel very demotivated and we give up. So please do not give up, because these things take time. You should, you should know the difference between the expectation and efforts. What we are doing, we are putting less efforts and we are expecting very high. So the ratio of expectations and effort should be very low. In the beginning, you should put more and more efforts. You should expect very less. But in the end, you will see that, you know, you will shine like a sun. When your English will become very better, then you will feel proud of yourself. But let me tell you one thing, this really takes time. So please do not lose hope. Keep learning, and if you have any doubt, you can always ask me, and I'm always ready to help you. I know that still, I'm also in your stage. We are on the same platform. So I'm also trying very hard to become fluent in English, and I know that I'm still making mistakes, but that's completely fine. We are always afraid that, what will happen if I will make mistakes? People will judge me. Please don't think about people when you are learning something. People will always judge you. Okay, so this is their work. Your work is not to think about people. Please think about yourself. Think about your personality. Think about your career, because people will not give you food in the future. You have to work for yourself, and for that, learning English is very important. Very, very important. I'm stressing this point again and again. So I'm really trying hard to provide quality content to you, and I'm really trying hard to push my subscribers to learn English every day. That's why I always come up with new idea, new technique of learning English, and I always try to start from very big. I always try to explain my subscribers in very easiest way. So I have made a separate video on how you can learn English from very scratch or basic, so you can check that playlist. And if you like the content that I make, then please do not forget to subscribe to my channel, and do not forget to press that big fat like button, because it motivates me to make more videos. And if you are new to my channel, then You can subscribe to my channel for career videos and for aviation and English videos. And if you have already subscribed to my channel, then please do not forget to press that notification bell so that next time whenever I upload a new video, you will get notified. And thank you so much for watching this video.